we decided to look at crime in the murder capital of America, Chicago. We had a number of big questions that we wanted to answer, and we will walk you through our methodology in approaching each of these questions.
First, we wanted to check if crime has actually decreased in Chicago in the past 5 years. As you can see, 2013 had 14% fewer crimes than 2010 did. We ran a t-test and found that this drop was statistically significant.
Next, we wanted to see if rates of arrest in Chicago had also changed along with the rates of crime. The rates of arrest of some of the crimes have decreased, but upon further analysis, it becomes apparent that this is largely the case among low-frequency crimes. Overall, the arrest rate has stayed relatively constant around 40%. Note that the rate of arrest for other narcotics violations has skyrocketed, whereas the rate of arrest for homicides has dropped significantly.
This piqued our interest, so we analyzed the factors that go into whether an arrest will be made or not. The type of crime committed, such as possessing narcotics, turns out to be more important than other features, like socioeconomic status or demographics.
One interesting thing about Chicago is the number of geographical divisions that exist in the city. Wards are decided politically, community areas arose out of historical divisions, and districts are decided by and for law enforcement. We tried to see if there was a more efficient way to organize fighting crime in Chicago, and using K-means clusterings, we found that not one set of boundaries was a better way to cluster crime.
Finally, we wanted to qualitatively understand the intersections that served as hotspots of crime. Using the Google Maps API, we pulled up images of these intersections. While there were no obvious patterns, it provided a human perspective to our analysis, reminding us that real crime affects real people.